Next concept is the will, and explain the different kinds of the will under the Indian Succession Act 1925. Will means the legal declaration of the intention of a testator with respect to his property, which he desires to be carried out into the effect after his death. Means it's a legal declaration about his property and its intention, that how the property will be disposed after his death. Such a document is known as a will. The person who makes the will is called a testator. The will takes place effect only after the death of the person making it. It can be revoked and altered by the maker during his lifetime. At any time he can revoke or he can change the will or he can alter the will. He is competent to dispose of his property. Next is the kinds of will. First is the non-cubative or the oral will. A will or a testament declared orally as opposed to in writing, especially by a mortally wounded soldier or a sailor. Non-cubative means oral will. Means the will which is not in a written form but it's in an oral form is known as the oral will. A non-cubative will is a will that has been delivered orally to the witness of such a will as opposed to the written will. Means it is opposed to the written will. That's why it is known as the oral will. And oral will is possible only among the Muslims or when it is a privileged will under section 65 of the Succession Act. Means the oral will can be done only by the Muslims or if it is a privileged will. Privileged will under the section 65 of the Succession Act. This is the first kind. It is a non-cubative or a oral will. Now second is a privileged will. Privileged will means it is only done by certain person. It is allowed to be made by a soldier or an airman or a mariner engaged on an expedition or in an actual warfare. Means only to these three types of person this privileged will is allowed. It is known as privileged will, section 65. And unprivileged will. An unprivileged will is a will which cannot be privileged. Will, that is a will made by only person who is not a soldier, airman or a mariner either on an expedition or engaged in a war. Unprivileged means it is not a privileged will. Next is the holograph will. Holograph means a will written in the handwriting of the testator himself. Next is the inofficious will. Inofficious means a will which is inconsistent with the moral duty and natural affection of testator, especially one denying the legitimate heirs the portions of the estate to which they are legally entitled. Inofficious means here the will is not made in the favor of their children or their legitimate heirs. In this will they are denied and another person is given the property in the form of the through the way of the will. It is known as inofficious. And as the inheritance of a child by his parent son by making inofficious will. Disinheritance of a child by his parent son. Disinheritance by making inofficious will. Next is the mutual will. It means that there are two or more wills which are mutually binding. Joint will means it is a common will and is executed by the two or more person disposing of their joint or the separate properties jointly. Means it's a will, common will. Only one will is there and it is executed by the two or more person disposing of their joint or the separate properties jointly. Such a will is revocable by any one of them or by the survivor of them. Next is the contingent will or the conditional will. Means when a will is made to be effective on the happening of any event or any condition, it is called contingent will. Means it is dependent upon a specified condition, that is the contingent or the conditional will. And last is the duplicate will. Means if there are two sets of will, then those wills are known as duplicate wills. So here we have seen the meaning of the will and the kinds of the will. First is the non-cubative or the oral will. Then privileged will, unprivileged will, holograph will, inofficious will, mutual will, joint will, contingent or the conditional will, duplicate will.